Say hi, Hank. Oh, goodness. So guys, something incredible has happened that I want to share with you. So if you've been watching, you know that we dusted our seeds with the mycorrhizal fungi, which is supposed to create a symbiotic relationship between your soil and your plants, and also help your soil build up the minerals and stuff that your plants may need and take it right to the roots of the system. So in this one raised bed that I did a video on yesterday, where I cut down all the oats and I went in and planted some broccoli and cabbage. So I'm going to show you when I started digging in this soil exactly what has happened to this raised bed. So remember, I just cut the grass down in this. I did not pull anything up because I wanted to keep the fungi and the biome in the soil. But let's look at what that has done to our soil in such a short time. So again, we treated our seeds with the mycorrhizal, and then Greg planted oats in here. Look at this seed, guys. It is rich soil, richer than we've ever had in this raised bed before. So we are quite impressed with how this is improving our raised beds, and we are doing it in all of our raised beds and our container gardens. And Greg was able to convert this one pretty quick. It does take time, guys, but this is our test bed and we can't be more pleased. So we are leaving the oat in there, the oat stems in there. Again, I just cut it out because we want it to keep feeding the soil and create the symbiotic relationship between the soil and our plants so that they can absorb the nutrition and the minerals that they need. So when we built these raised beds, we added soil from a very popular place. And guys, we didn't grow anything. We weren't able to grow anything in this bed. The very first year we put that soil in, it was so deficient in so many things that the company should be ashamed of themselves, honestly, for naming themselves what they named themselves, because it was junk soil. It was nothing but depleted, crappy dirt. Excuse my language. So we have modified this over the years. We've added compost, and Greg is constantly working on these. But I gotta tell you, I've never seen this soil look better than it does right now. The true test is going to come as this broccoli and cabbage starts to grow. We'll see the impact that it has on it. So stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button. You're going to want to know how this ends and how everything looks, because you know I do my updates, so you'll see it. You'll see it progress. Anyway, thank you for watching. Take care. God bless. Get you some of that mycorrhizal.